New technology developed at MIT could possibly identify people with COVID-19 just by listening to the sound of their cough. Researchers found that asymptomatic people cough differently than healthy individuals. They say the human ear can't tell the difference, but artificial intelligence developed by MIT can. In tests, they achieved a 98.5% success rate among people who had received an official positive coronavirus test result, rising to 100% in those who had no other symptoms. The researchers would need a regulatory approval to develop this into an app.